Welcome, guys. This is episode 8. This is Jet. This is Dusty.
Go.
Episode 8. This is episode 8. I am Dusty. Welcome, guys. It's episode 8. I am Jet. This is Dusty.
A crazy couple of weeks. I was flying with Danny. We keep training, and we're getting better and better, but the more we train, the more risks that's involved. And the other night I got a mild concussion, which is still scary. And then the day right after I got my concussion, I had a girlfriend of 3.5 years, and we just broke up. And it was a mutual breakup, but it's still really sad. And I'm gonna miss her. She still is gonna be one of my best friends, but things will be totally different now, and I have no idea what's going to happen. The day after the breakup, I got really sick. Hey, what's up? Today I get to be with my family, to hang out with them and help them move into their new home up in Waco. It's about 2 hours north of me. The next week's, how do I say that? Next week will be better. And, right? I say that, yeah?
Yeah.
Next week will be better. And we're going to keep pushing forward. Right, boys?
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning we're going to wake up bright and early to go help these guys move in, and see you in the morning.
Okay, let's go, guys.
You just don't get it, do you? Came along. I want fun. Ducklings sick.
Can you,
yesterday because they were in Tyler.
How you doing this morning, young man? Having a good day? That's a great point, though.
Got the keys.
Keys, yeah.
We're Wiggins.
Hey, guys.
What?
We're missing something.
Can I get a salted cream, cold foam, cold brew?
All right. Where were we?
It's not heavy, but my arms are missing.
Stairs.
Dollar Tree. Thanks, buddy.
Okay, so we are heading over to brother-in-law's mom's Airbnb that she's renting out from Colorado. We're gonna head back home, and we're gonna go to Austin. And after we go to Austin, we're gonna grab some drinks and then hang out all day tomorrow.
I was driving this guy. He's a friend of mine. And he had this giant backpack on. We're driving together, and he wanted a ride across the parking lot of New Life Church in Colorado Springs. It's a giant parking lot, so he didn't want to walk to his car. So I'm like, yeah, jump in, and I'll give you a ride. So he gets in my car, and he's like a bigger guy like me, and he has this giant backpack on, so his head's like way up here towards the windshield, and I'm messing around with him. And so we get at the stop sign, and I like stop like that. And his head just goes straight into the windshield. He was totally fine, but it was very intense.
We both had a pretty recent breakup.
The thing is like how like similar it is.
Yeah.
Two incredible girls. Ended the relationships with good feelings. Felt like it was ended well, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it
yeah, it's
didn't
good.
suck any less, but having the honor and the respect still there in a relationship, even after breaking up, I think is super good.
Yeah. Well, are you glad to be where you are now?
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Think about that year, and it's like there is so much that has made me like who I am, and she was really good for me in the sense of like helping me grow. You know what I mean?
Right. Same.
Which is so cool. Like I learned so much about myself, and so much about like how to like love someone well, and like what a good relationship looks like, and like how to do things, stuff like that. But at the same time, like being where I'm at now, I look back, I'm like, okay, I'm grateful that we're not together only because I think that is the best. You know what I mean? I'm excited for the future.
All right.
I'm excited for the future, man. I do separate letters to. I have a journal for my wife and a journal for my kids, sending her a letter if, like, I was off to war. This is what my day was like. Times where I would have loved if she was there with me. Times when I was like thinking about her throughout the day.
We're writing letters to our future wife, and on the day that we marry our future wives, we're gonna give her our letters that we wrote to her when we were this age.
Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the goal. And hopefully, if we're lucky, she'll like really love letters or something. I said I won't walk away. Don't you
Have so much. Pray that you continue blessing us and let us be a blessing to the body of Christ. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Thumbs on it, but it's